How much should beginners invest in crypto? As cryptocurrency is generally considered a high-risk asset class, it is important to remember that while there are potentially thousands of percentage points to gain, there is also a very real risk of losing a significant amount of money. So rule number 1, never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you can manage to invest just 100 euros every month, then that is absolutely fine. Investing means that you calculate your investment time frame in months and years, not days. Let's look at the Ether price performance over the last couple of years, for example. As of November 2022, investors that have been holding for 2 years are up 300%, and those who have held for the last 6 months are down 60-70%. Investing is more about time in the market, not trying to time the market. Meaning it is fundamentally about how long you stay in the market for. 100 euros for 12 months is 1200 euros. And if you can manage 400% gain, that becomes 6,000 euros. Or from putting aside just 100 euros a month,